Okay, so we're going to start with a good amount of olive oil. Say 3 or 4 tablespoons. We're going to go with the garlic. Now, we do not want to brown the garlic. We really just want it to sort of poach. And feel free to adjust the heat up or down. I'm going to give it a little bit of salt to help pull some moisture out. And already it's starting to sizzle a little bit, so I'm going to turn this down to low. So I'll come in with the onions. Give them a stir. I'm also going to add the rosemary from the garden that you saw me pick. So one thing I'm going to add, and this isn't, I don't know if traditional or not, I'm not sure this is a traditional dish the way I'm doing it, but I'm going to add a little anchovy paste. It won't taste fishy, but it will give nice depth, umami. I'm not putting a lot in, maybe about a tablespoon. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes since the onions went in, and at this point I'm going to add the beans. These are cannellini beans, and this is 2 cans worth. And I'm going to add about half a cup of stock. This is vegetable stock. You could add chicken stock, beef stock, water, white wine, whatever you got on hand and whatever fits your mood, go for it. We're going to put the lid on and let them stew for about 3 minutes, and then we'll check them. So let's check this. There you go. Look at that. It's starting to thicken up and making sort of a sauce, which is what we're looking for, the starches of the beans to start breaking down. We'll get to that in a little bit, but right now I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit. You know, before I add the kale, I'm actually going to give these a couple of these a little bit of a mash. And the reason to do this is it'll give the final dish a little silkier finish and texture. And I'm going to add that other half cup of broth. And I'm going to put the lid back on this for about 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. And let's see where we're at. Okay, that's wilted nicely. There's a good amount of steam. Moisture has come off of the kale. Let's give it that a stir. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add some lemon to this. I am going to, at this point, add a bit of grated parm. And that should also give it some creaminess. I just picked this up this morning at the farmer's market. It's pretty good. It's nice to support our local artisans. And I'm going to put this in the toaster just to crisp it up a little bit. Okay, I think we're there. Let's get this plated up. I'm going to hit it with a little more salt, a little more olive oil, and just a touch more parm. And I almost forgot, but let's add a little bit of parsley just for brightness. Well, you can't make it and not give it a try, so here we go. Oh yeah. And then some of the bread, toast, sourdough in the lemony, garlicky broth. Wow, this is delicious. If you want to see more content like this, hit subscribe, press like. I'd love to hear your comments, and we'll see you next time.